In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Bitmine Immersion Technologies stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level, and along with that there are multiple positive factors which has already been materialized, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before a big upside get trigger. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was in top where the last leg of selling started in the form of downward sloping parallel channel, and as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back-to-back lower lows, and stock was engaged in price-wise correction. The first lower lows trigger over here, the second lower lows here, and the third lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upside, first time its lower lows shifted to higher highs, and this is an area where the game started to change. We got a two major positive signal here. The first one is downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upside. The moment this channel get break on the upper side, the steep fall of the price actions got an immediate rejection. And the second positive signal is lower lows shifted to higher highs, and whenever we identify that lower lows is getting shifted to higher highs, we take that point as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And finally, we will see the diversion over here. If we'll place an RSI indicator, the diversion, you will be surprised to know that even the diversion is showing the positive direction. The last lower swing is tilting on the downside, and the RSI is tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we got a breakout. And finally, my dear friends, the most important is the chart pattern. If you'll make a closer look over here, you will be able to identify there is a chart pattern which we call it as cup and handle pattern, and it's already got broken out from the neckline, which is at $31, and now very soon we may see the price will be reaching to $35.50. That will be our first target, and the second target will be the gap area, and before that there will be some resistance which stock may face, and that will marked in blue color. So there is a probability that stock may face and rejections at the neck at this blue line, and then it may come to take the retrace, and then it will start the journey on the upper side. And finally, my dear friends, this area of neckline will now act as a strong support because there are multiple positive factors got action over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side. This was an area where we have identified lower lows shifted to higher highs. This is an area where we have witnessed the positive diversion between the price action and the RSI indicator, and this is an area where we have seen the positive chart breakout, that is a cup and handle pattern trigger on the buy side. So with due respect to all the positive breakouts, this area of neckline so far was in resistance but has now turned into an important support. The resistance has turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this important support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.